Good morning, guys. It's our first day here on our
Here the seals, I don't know if you can see them from here, from the balcony. You can see the seal in the water. It's so cool. What is not cool is the water is so chilly. It's moving, so the tenders are coming, but they cannot take us up. So the tenders, the boats who are coming are supposed to take us to the shore. They just park here because they cannot come closer to the shore. So for our safe, we probably gonna stay all day on the ship, which it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Better safe than sorry. Yeah, so close to the ship. Oh, they're 5 now. There used to be 4.
I only see 4.
Maybe it was one big one.
I think you need a pair of glasses.
No, I have my contact lenses. Now I see 4. No, I see 5. And stuck in Catalina Island. even the boats they're supposed to take us to the shore left. So here it is. There's the casino over there. It's not a casino anymore. I was planning to go see if I can go on the touring side, but it looks like we cannot make it there. So I keep you informed. It's very strange how you see in the water the lines of greens. So many colors and so beautiful. Look at it. Here is blue. Over there is like turquoise over there. All that line. So pretty.
We trust you understand the decision that has been made with everyone's safety in mind. Our amazing team, our entertainment team, and everybody here on board has prepared a full day of activities and entertainment that we know you will enjoy. And along with that, all of the shore excursions for today will automatically be refunded to your
We
sailing
cannot go out in Catalina.
Well, there's Catalina Island, and today's supposed to be our day at Catalina, but the seas are too rough, and you can't take the tenders, the little boats that come get you from the cruise ship, and take you to the island because the seas are simply too rough. I was watching the boats try earlier today, and they were all over the place. So it's going to be a sea day. Might take you on a little tour of the ship today, show you what there is to do, and just hanging out on the boat. And of course, you got your seagulls going to town here. Always dangerous birds.
So the announcement was made. We are leaving Catalina Islands without going on the island because of the water condition. The ocean was too choppy, they said, and now we're going to Ensenada. We're going to Mexico now. I don't know. I don't think we can actually see it today, but we gonna get out tomorrow in Ensenada. So let's go to Ensenada. Today we're gonna have a nice fun day on the sea. Beautiful day on Miracle. My mom and my sister stay. Let's go find Ben. I find Ben playing domino.
Hi, gal. So, when you miss Catalina and you got nothing better to do, you play dominoes. You find friends and you play the dominoes. Good games, guys. We'll see you later on the boat.
Ben is cleaning up the dominoes. How was it? Who won? Did you win? You won?
I won.
Good job, baby. Good job. Good job. There's Danny is at the bar over there. Woo! He's got my pina colada! My pina colada coming! Thank you! Do you need tips? Do you need tips? Thank you! I was trying. And we're moving!
So we went to lunch. The dining room was open today because we skipped Catalina. So we're already at sea, and I'm not sure what they're going to make up the time with. We'll find out. Extra seating, and that's it, babe?
Yes, today it's like sea day, so we came to the restaurant, and I don't know about
For
food,
lunch?
but I have my Cheeto.
Alright, so since today, our Catalina day, turned into a sea day, I'm gonna go around the ship and hide a couple of our cruising ducks. If you don't know what it is, we found it on Facebook. There's some Facebook groups, and you just sort of put little rubber ducks around the ship and give them little names and tags, and then post them on a Facebook group called Original Cruising Ducks, and it's just something fun to play with. So I got my bag here, got my ducks in it, and I'm gonna hide them. So they say for hiding your ducks, make sure to do it inside and not in a retail store or somewhere where you buy stuff, but just somewhere where everybody can find them indoors. So let's go hide some ducks. Let's see here, where's a good spot for a duck? All right, there's my first duck. Well, cubic duck hidden above the doorway there. Let's go hide some more. And we'll come back in a little bit and see if they've been found or not. All right, there's duck number 2 hiding behind the banister. I'll go hide a couple more. And there's another one above the warehouse sign. That's where the kids arcade is. And I think my last duck for now, I'm going to put right on top of this beautiful vase here on the Carnival Miracle. We'll see how many people can reach up there. So after hiding the ducks, just find something to do here on a sea day. I came up to deck 9, which is like the pool deck, the Lido deck. There's all sorts of games up here. People over there playing ping pong, people hanging out in the pool. And in general, people trying to do the least amount that they can figure out how to do. That's the point of a cruise, just to relax. And we're gonna go see what I go find to go do on our unexpected sea day today. So what's cool, a lot of these ships, one of the pools will have a retractable roof, so don't worry about coming in the winter time when it's cold out. They'll just close the roof and make it nice and warm inside, but it is loud. Normally it's the party pool where they're always playing music and having games and different activities and things like that. But for now, I'm gonna go to the bar and get me a beer. So just to show you guys, a pint of beer on a Carnival cruise is $7.50 plus tax and tip, but we got the Cheers package, so they're all included. Nice. I think this is a beer from the Czech Republic. Let's go see what else there is to do. The casino is probably open now. We can go up to the sports decks and play some putt-putt, miniature golf, or some basketball. Let's go see what's happening upstairs. Sometimes I just think the hardest part about a sea day is making it what you want it to be. Either going out, hanging out at the pool, or finding a nice lounge chair to relax in, or Chris is taking a nap in the room right now. Why? Because she can. I made my way to the back of the ship, the Serenity deck. That's the adults only pool. And for whatever reason, they always have a water slide by the adults only pool. Not a lot of people going on it though. It is chilly. It's nice if you can find a little bit of sun. It warms you right up. You get out of the wind. Well, I guess there's nothing better to do now than watch the ocean sail by off the back of the boat. Ship. Well, we're just getting ready for dinner here. It's formal night on the boat. It's one of the fun things to do aboard any cruise ship, I think. It's just get dressed up for formal night. Guys, just do it. Your ladies will appreciate it. And it's a beautiful sunset tonight here. So we're gonna go to formal night, go to dinner, go see the show, and we're gonna take you along with us.
Going to the dinner. We are going to dinner on the ship. It's a formal night. Click the button. And here is everybody dressed up. Everybody having fun tonight. Here's my chocolate martini. Thank you. Hello.
That's it. Enjoy.
That's it. Thank you. So we got the entree. So I have shrimp cocktails. Ben's got pasta, spaghetti carbonara. My mom's got 3 little stuff in there. What is it?
Those are the pork cards.
And Danny got spaghetti carbonara. Enjoy it. And it's a showtime. Cheers! For a beautiful cruise with the family. We got the food. I got the in-cut and shrimp. He brought us 3 extra plates of shrimp. Then he got the steaks. And my mom got, what did you got? Bass? The fish? Sea bass?
Looks very good.
How's your food? Looks good. And shrimp, garlic shrimp. They look delicious. We got the creme brulee. And Benga what?
I got the coffee cake. It's like a coffee cream cake. I think it's the sugar-free. They always have sugar-free desserts.
Did you like the dinner tonight?
Dinner was good. Always is.
And your cake?
Yep. It's really good. It's the sugar-free. And
Enjoy
we're
it.
going to the chef.
Do you like the creme brulee, Donnie? Donnie? Okay, it's good. I'm gonna try to. Punchline comedy. They want to buy some drinks. My mom is ready to enjoy the comedian. So we have a table here and we're ready to see the comedians. Did you like the comedy show?
Yeah, it was fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
Would you recommend that?
I would recommend taking the cruise and having some nice fun day on the sea. Yes.
Alright guys, that'll do it for us today on the Carnival Miracle. We had a fun day. Unfortunately, we had to skip Catalina due to rough weather, but we still enjoyed the ship today.
We had fun. We wish we would go to Catalina, but we had the sea day instead. But tomorrow we're gonna take it to Ensenada.
We're gonna do the wine tasting tour, so that should be fun. So stay with us for the rest of our 4-day Mexico cruise from Long Beach aboard the Carnival Miracle.
Kisses. I love you all the one you subscribe.
Thank you to all of our new subscribers.
I love you all.
Thank you guys.
Kisses.
Bye.